name, but when you have a baby, you have to get something hot tea, you know, to help you inside, you know, because you bleeding, but it can help you inside, you know. I put leaf, cinnamon, ginger. I put so many stuff. I don't remember all the name. This one is the papaya leaf. You know that? This one, that's the papaya leaf. This one is the papaya. This one is a pigeon. You know the pigeon leaf. The pigeon leaf.
Okay.
The
peas?
Oh, yes, some of the peas, yes.
Okay, pigeon pea leaf.
Yes.
Wow.
This one they call in ça c'est Doudou, comment il fait ça? Il va go negla. It's a vierge, but I don't know in English.
Okay.
You know?
Listen, y'all.
This one you can make tea drink with this too.
You can make what?
Oh, what's this one here? Yeah, the tea drink.
Oh yeah, you see? You got it. I put few. I got this.
It looks like something that I know.
You know this, my sister. Yeah. You know, even you got
when you get cool,
you can drink.
You can just steam it over the fire and then liquid water.
Even if you got something coming on your skin like a abscess, they put this on the heat.
It looked like life everlasting leaf. I could be wrong. Life everlasting leaf. It can die easy.
Yeah, but I got the little.
It can grow. The one I know, it can grow. You can put it in the book, and it will grow. And you plant it.
What? Yeah. Okay. I got.
Oh wow!
This one that they leaf from the mango.
Oh, okay.
You see, we got it. That the mango leaf. We're gonna put all and you see, is this one. We got this.
And you got these mostly from your garden, too?
From my garden. This is soap, like Haitian soap. When you finish this bath, we can put this in the warm water and wash your, all of it.
Okay.
But with warm water after this, we want to relax your muscle, your body. Because you push the baby, you're going to feel all your body ache. But when you start take those and you can relax. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This one I don't got.
You know I love all this natural stuff.
I don't got time to buy. I got this mine. Okay, but we got what leaf? Maybe plain know this one. My sister know that.
You get this in your garden?
Yes, I got the one section in it, not big. Yeah, I guess. But we got two leaves I really need. I don't find it. I asked somebody. You see this one? Is a leaf from avocado.
Oh wow.
Okay, this one.
That's so
we're gonna put, little with everything. We mix it to get some. Okay.
Okay.
This one is the same leaf. This one I don't know the name on English, but you know this. You can cook.
Okay.
You know this one, like sister.
This is
smell it. You can people cook with this. They put some hello. They cook with this, but I don't know the name.
So I can smell it from here.
It's not bad. I know. But this one they cook with this, but I don't know the name. You okay?
Man.
Yeah. I think
That's smacking my nose. I'm trying to see which.
I don't know. Okay. But this one I see people cook with this, but they make tea.
I know the smell,
with
but I'm
this.
trying to think what.
Yeah, the name. I don't know all the name.
How you doing? Good.
How are you?
Hey, how you doing?
I have to.
We're all into the herb.
I have to ask some friend. They bring me some.
I'm amazed with them.
See? Put this one up.
Oh, your friend brought it.
I get some. This one we buy. This one that day for sour orange leaf. The sour orange. I got this.
Okay, so
I got this.
that's about the citrus.
Yeah, like the sour.
Wow.
Pass me that.
You might have sour orange at ball.
You know the one that you keep it.
Wow.
Yeah.
In the car?
Oh yeah, I can smell it now.
Right, the citrus.
This one is the same. This one is the same. I keep looking. Everybody try give me some. This one still the papaya leaf. The papaya.
This is very good,
Yeah, we're gonna put some little by everything. Because you say you want it for 3 days.
Oh, so I can use. I have to
She
do it
bought
for
another
3 days.
3 days. No, she
Oh.
bought
No, I
another.
bought more. We're gonna make one. You see?
She can do that for today.
I just
and we have
get
more for
this.
2
Oh,
days.
that's cool. I thought it was a one-time thing.
No,
but that's
that's
good.
Same one in 3 days, no?
Well, that's fine. That's good.
Girl,
Yeah.
doing it.
Mhm,
This one
of course.
that for the sour wine, I just get some. Okay. We buy for mango, and I don't get chance to buy. This one is a sour orange. I'm gonna cut it to put it in the peel it
Oh, wow.
and put it in the stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Well. Okay. If I must get him by. Aí já vai, manda, ele vai ali, tá vendo? Vai vindo, foi caro de aí dentro, velho. Lá, deixa ele pôr papai lá. Não vai vir, não deve alguém ler. Oh.
You want me to hold it, my sister? I think she got it. Yeah, you make a hurry. This thing gets you good.
But I'm gonna put some little cold water. Too hot.
You too hot?
Yeah.
Not trying to heat.
Yes. No.
My
Not too
sister,
much.
it's alright.
No.
It's
I
alright,
have to
right?
It's fine.
It's alright. Because, yeah.
No, not too hot. I don't want you burn. We're gonna get little, but I have to put little water to mix it. Because I don't want. It's good when you set, but
Oh, when you sit down, it's
close. Because you just finish this. Excuse me. Now, we're gonna give you a bath with the leaf, and when you take the bath, you're gonna get some leaf and you're gonna massage all your body. Okay?
I thought you do the back, mommy.
I'm gonna do it for it, but I'm
Okay.
explaining to you what I'm gonna do.
Oh,
It's a shark cap down there.
I'm gonna give you some leaf. Even she wet stuff, okay, she can remove it when you finish do what you want to.
okay.
Okay. First thing. That's it, bro. You feel this thing when you sit down?
A little. It's cooled off a little bit, so not too much.
But I don't want to give it too much
Yeah.
soup, okay?
But you feel some steam coming up in there?
It feels a little warm, but it's fine. Not really.
But you're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
You don't make it get too cold.
No. It doesn't. Okay, when you finish, you can remove it, but because you got it, okay? I'm gonna start for you that, okay? You can take it. Yeah. Once you finish, you can remove everything. And to relax all your muscle, okay? It's not too hot.
No, it's good.
I'm gonna give you some of this. I don't have to push you, just finish too much, okay?
Okay.
You know what to do?
Okay. All
For
right.
the-
I guess that's good for the video.